The forgotten Japanese soil trick that creates black earth without compost. What if I told you that one forgotten Japanese gardening technique can transform ordinary kitchen scraps into rich black earth without building a traditional compost pile? Most gardeners spend months turning compost, monitoring moisture, and waiting for decomposition to finish. Meanwhile, this little-known method quietly uses fermentation to create soil conditions that support healthier roots, stronger plants, and more productive harvests. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this system works and why many gardeners consider it one of the most effective soil building techniques ever developed. The method is known as Bokashi. Unlike conventional composting, which relies on oxygen-loving microorganisms breaking down organic matter over time, Bokashi uses beneficial microbes that ferment food waste inside a sealed container. Instead of rotting, the material becomes biologically transformed while preserving many valuable nutrients. This difference is what makes the process so unique and so effective for building fertile soil. To understand why this technique matters, it helps to understand black earth. Dark, rich soil is prized because it contains high levels of organic matter and biological activity. It retains moisture better, stores nutrients more effectively, improves root growth, and creates ideal conditions for beneficial organisms. Healthy black soil is often considered the foundation of successful gardening because it supports nearly every aspect of plant development. Creating that kind of soil naturally can take years. Traditional composting certainly helps, but it requires patience and regular management. Bokashi speeds up the journey by allowing microorganisms to begin processing food scraps before they ever reach the garden. The result is faster nutrient cycling and quicker improvement of soil quality. The process starts with collecting food scraps that would normally be discarded. Vegetable peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, bread, cooked leftovers, and many other kitchen wastes can be included. This flexibility is one reason many gardeners appreciate the system. Materials that may not always be ideal for a compost pile can often be handled successfully through fermentation. A Bokashi compost starter introduces the beneficial microorganisms responsible for fermentation. These microbes colonize the food scraps and begin transforming them. Many gardeners find that using a quality starter creates more consistent results and reduces the chances of problems during fermentation. Since the microorganisms perform most of the work, maintaining the system requires very little effort. The food scraps are placed inside a sealed container designed to create an oxygen-free environment. Many gardeners prefer using a dedicated fermentation bucket because it helps maintain proper conditions throughout the process. Each layer of food waste is compressed gently to remove excess air, then treated with a small amount of microbial starter. As more scraps are added, the process continues until the container is full. Once sealed, the container is left undisturbed for approximately 2 weeks. During this period, fermentation takes place. Unlike traditional composting, there is no need to turn the material, monitor temperatures, or constantly adjust moisture levels. The microorganisms work quietly inside the container while nutrients remain largely preserved. Many first-time users are surprised when they open the container after fermentation. The material often does not resemble finished compost. Food scraps may still be recognizable, which leads some beginners to think something has gone wrong. In reality, this appearance is completely normal. Fermentation and decomposition are very different biological processes. The material has already been transformed even though it may not look dramatically different. A slightly sweet or sour smell is usually a good sign. The contents often resemble pickled organic matter rather than compost. At this stage, the fermented material is ready to be introduced into the soil, where the most important transformation begins. A trench approximately 8 to 12 inches deep is usually sufficient. The fermented material is buried and covered completely with soil. Once underground, a remarkable chain reaction begins. Soil organisms immediately move toward the fermented food source. Earthworms, fungi, bacteria, and countless beneficial microorganisms begin consuming the material and incorporating it into the surrounding soil. Because the food scraps have already been partially processed through fermentation, soil organisms can break them down far more quickly than fresh organic matter. Nutrients become available sooner, biological activity increases, and the soil ecosystem becomes more productive. This accelerated underground activity is the secret behind the rapid development of dark, fertile earth. Healthy soil is far more than dirt. It is a living ecosystem containing billions of microorganisms working together to recycle nutrients, improve structure, and support plant growth. Every application of fermented organic matter provides food for this underground community. As microbial populations grow, the soil becomes increasingly fertile and resilient. Gardeners often notice that previously compacted soil becomes looser and easier to work. Water infiltration improves, reducing runoff and increasing moisture retention. Root systems penetrate deeper into the ground, giving plants access to additional nutrients and water. Over time, the soil becomes darker, richer, and more productive. Another major advantage of this Japanese technique is convenience. Traditional composting requires space that many gardeners simply do not have. Apartment dwellers, urban gardeners, and people with small properties often struggle to maintain large compost piles. Fermentation systems occupy relatively little space and can operate year-round regardless of weather conditions. The sealed environment also minimizes odors when managed properly. This makes the technique practical even in locations where conventional composting may be difficult. Many gardeners appreciate being able to recycle kitchen waste efficiently without dedicating large areas of their property to compost production. When burying fermented material, having durable gardening gloves can make the process much more comfortable. Digging trenches, handling soil, and working around established plants becomes easier and cleaner with proper hand protection. Small improvements in comfort often encourage gardeners to remain consistent with soil building practices.